Top 10 seeds to sow in April. Number 1, carrots. Sow directly outside in April. It's the main growing season for carrots. Number 2, lettuce. A great crop for this time of year. Continuous sowing ensures that you have a bumper harvest all through summer. Number 3, spinach. It does love the cool spring weather, so if it's heating up where you are, give it some partial shade. Number 4, onions. Sets or seeds. Can plant both this time of year. It's just the perfect window for growing onions. Number 5 is beetroot. Very easy to grow and it's really hardy. And remember, it produces edible roots and leafy edible greens. Number 6, peas. Garden peas, sugar snap peas. April's one of the best months for growing peas and they can tolerate a light frost. Get them going and do successional sowing as well for bumper crops. Number 7, one of my favourites, radishes. They're great for beginners to start growing and you get a crop in about 4 weeks. Lots of varieties to choose from as well. Number 8 is kale, very hardy and produces all the way through into autumn. A great crop which you can have fresh and does well in the freezer. Number 9, marigolds. Really great for encouraging bees and pollinators into your garden and they're great at repelling pests as well. And number 10, sunflowers. Another great pollinator for your garden. If you plant them now, you'll get wonderful summer blooms and at the end you get those delicious sunflower seeds. And your bonus is herbs, basil, cilantro, parsley, whatever you fancy. Get them growing now. If it's a little bit cold where you are, give them some heat protection or maybe start them off indoors, but get them going. Let me know in comments below what you're growing this April. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see what I'm doing in my garden and what I'm cooking in my kitchen. Take care and be seeing you.